Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the real user experience on this Mivi Play Bluetooth speakers, which is totally wireless and with the battery backup of 12 hours playtime. And see here, this is very portable. The main reason for people choosing this and the user also purchase this is for being it is so portable and mini. Anywhere you can just take it and play your favorite music. First of all, I'll try to connect this with the mobile Bluetooth so that I can play a video sample and I can show you. Let me press this. Okay, yeah. Why it is not gets okay, sorry. This is the play button and this is the power button. Sorry for that. Yeah, there is a small beep sound and the light blinking here, so it is ready for to be paired in the pairing mode. And I'll refresh this. So as it is in the pairing mode, which is turned on, Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker, I should find the name here, Mivi Play, and I can pair it. This is for the first time, okay, not every time you need this. So this got paired, and now I can open any music app, or for now for this tutorial, for the user experience, I'll just try to play one of the YouTube video, and later I'll tell you the real user experience, how the user felt about using this Mivi Play Bluetooth speaker, which is wireless, for almost 2 years. The user has been using this mini Bluetooth speaker, which is a portable, is using for 2 years. And see here, there is small cushion sort of thing to stand, and I'll test the bass also, the woofer thing. I'll test the woofer thing here. Once I play this, maybe I can keep a small object on this so that you can get to know the real bass or the woofer thumping effect. And if the room is very small enough, then this is okay, because the output is 3 to 5 watts, so you cannot expect that much more audible sound, or when the output is lesser. For a decently small room, this is good enough, not for bigger rooms or halls or to party or something like that, but just to enjoy music you can take it. And the user purchased this as they frequently travel to different places, so at that place they want to enjoy the music. That's the reason they purchase this. And the another thing is its portability, and this is increasing and decreasing the volume, and these are the play button and the power button, and these are the connectivity buttons actually. Auxiliary you can keep here, see here, and this is the charging port, type A charging port, okay, not type C, you need to remember that. Yeah, and the user is pretty much satisfied according to this budget. Anyway, at the end of the video, I'll be showing you the online details also. The user has purchased this nearly something like 700 to 800 rupees. I just checked the price. Now also it is showing similar to that price only, and you can carry it like with this, like this. And I tried to keep it in pocket. It was okay in the pocket, in the pants, trouser pants. It got placed, and I'm just switching it off again. And audio quality is really good. The bass is really good, as you have seen. That small mouse is just shaking when I kept that on that. Let us check the online details also. Yeah, as I said, I'll show you the online details, and this is where you can find it. And it got 4.1 rating. Okay, many users have purchased this. Yeah, this got decent ratings, and Amazon choice tag also, and it is mentioned 3 watts here, and here it is mentioned 5 watts. I guess it is 5 watts. And audio output mode is stereo, and mounting type is tabletop. Yeah, If possible, I'll be keeping this link in the description. You can check it. Yeah, if you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.